Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Monday, March 20th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, after this bullish reversal candle that we had on the daily, went back and back tested the 80 MA. And since losing it on the TCG bear cross back here, we've back tested it several times and rejected from there. Once, twice, 3, 4, now 5 times. So that's a clear MA that we need to regain, is the 80 MA on the daily to move higher. And likely to do that, if we do that, we'll likely break above the high of this recent bounce of 50.14. And what oil bulls want to make sure that is established is that this low today with this long lower wick is the higher low on the daily from this low of the obviously the recent lows that it's established. So if this is the new higher low, what bulls want to do is regain the 80 MA on the daily and then break above the 50.14 level here. The next resistance to look at on the daily tomorrow, if it does continue bullish, is the high of today, 49.36, and then the high of this candle at 49.71. So those are resistances. Red flag if we lose a low of today of 48.46 tomorrow. So that would be a red flag if we go lower, because that means we haven't found a higher low yet from the low of this candle. And on the hourly, after a bullish move on this bounce, we are rejecting at the 150 MAs. So that's something to watch for tomorrow on the hourly, is the 150 MAs and how it reacts. We're holding the back test of the 20 MA, and what you're seeing is lower highs and higher lows here, and it's an equilibrium pattern of finding a price that it likes after a big move up. So it is, as of now, still healthy consolidation as long as this 20 MA on the hourly holds. Again, you want to get above this 50 MA, or at least start to set a higher high on the hourly. So you could see that on these hourly candles, every candle has been a lower high. So look for that trend to change tomorrow if this 20 MA hourly holds, or overnight, depending on what happens overnight. And on the hourly, if you zoom out further, we do have a downtrend line that I could draw for you, something like that. So we have this downtrend line that we need to get above, and in order to do that, we have to start setting higher highs on the hourly first. And you can see all these long upper wicks here on every candle is forming a lower high. So first step, to watch overnight, look for a higher high on the hourly, then to get above this 50 and the 100 MAs here, and make sure it holds the 20 MA back test here. And if I look at the 1 minute chart, what I was noticing on oil is you can clearly see that the volume was bullish. You could see that on this big green candle, it's all bulls. This is profit taking, but long lower wick here on the 1 minute and bullish volume. And the bear volume was a lot smaller than the bull volume. So you saw these bull volume candles on the 1 minute. So most of the volume today in oil was bulls. Something to watch for tomorrow, again, to those levels of setting higher high on the hourly and then regaining the 50 and the 100 MAs on the hourly, and then on the daily, those price resistances. And of course, again, red flag if it breaks the low of today as support. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.